we actually do chimney restoration. We tuck pointed the masonry joints and reapplied the new matching mortar. This chimney had a lot of cracks, some missing bricks, spall bricks, so we call them cracked. Those were replaced. We found a supply house that gives us a very close match, almost identical. In that case, we're able to basically get by in making sure that they blend in with the original. If you want your chimney restored professionally with someone that's knowledgeable, visit our website or give us a call.